Alright, so this is gonna be, we're gonna see how this goes. I am so silly because I did not plan ahead. I kind of just decided to do this spontaneously on the way back home, and stop by this cute little mill. I was out at REI, of course. I did not bring my phone stand, like my little tripod thing. So, unfortunately, you guys have to deal with me, and it may be a little bumpy, but I'll try and pause here and there. I'm coming up on the water right now, and it's gonna be, we're gonna cross the bridge. It's gonna be a little noisy, so I'm probably gonna mute it. You can probably already hear it in the background, I don't know, but I'll probably mute this part and put some cute little explore music on. I guess this is good prep for, it's kind of squeaky. Am I covering the mic again? I need to flip it this way. No, it's fine. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I really hope so. But okay, anyways. This is good prep for hiking in McCool Falls, I suppose. Getting these stairs in. Probably do these about 5 times just to get stair legs in. Well, I don't know. I did just leave the gym before this to do some like strength training and everything. You know, so just, but it was, I could have walked, right? Could have walked on the treadmill for a while. Or I can go outside and hike these stairs, you know? So I guess I chose the stairs. And the actual trail once we get there. Yay! Oh boy. And back down. All right. I'm winded from stairs already. I did it 3 times, and that's enough. Too much. Blue blaze, but not the same one that you're thinking of. Also, there's a chipmunk down there. Alrighty. Now we are on solid ground. We're just gonna hike and talk a little. So my name is Case, but for pretty much the majority of next year, I'll be going by Turtle. I have an announcement. I plan on hiking the AT in 2025, and I am so excited. There's just so much wildlife happening all the time. This is kind of crazy. It's kind of out here for like, I don't know, after the stairs, not even a minute. That's a really cool looking woodpecker. Oh no, I'm holding my phone massively. Okay, listen. I'm not used to filming. I don't have my tripod to remind me to not turn the freaking camera the wrong way. And my hands are a little shaky. So this sucks, but I think all of this wildlife is such a sign. I'm really big on signs. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep walking. I just get distracted way too easily, but check out the trees. That's brutal. I mean, it's not brutal. You normally see trees down, and this is what happens. But this is from hurricane damage. Crazy things are happening here. What's the name of that song? Nice fresh cut. Okay, so speaking of hurricane damage, part of the AT is closed right now. I'm aware of that. I'm not planning to hike till March. And with that being said, I hope that the trail is open at that point. It'd be sad if it was closed, but I guess what I could do is hike the whole thing that is open and just be aware of everything happening and then possibly come back. You know, like do the through hike and then come back and do the miles that I missed going up because of closure. Because I want to do every single portion of it. I want to see it all. These leaves are crazy. It's fall, y'all. I have a feeling this is what I'm going to be seeing a lot of on the trail next year. I haven't been on this trail very long, and pretty much everywhere I pass, something's chopped down. So we really appreciate everyone that puts the hard work into cleaning up our trails. We really do. So, with hiking the AT, I do plan on vlogging it. I'm going to go the weekly route. I do feel like that would be the best time frame for me, so that way I can really enjoy myself on the trail and just give kind of updates and document it. I'm huge on taking pictures and videos and saving them to my phone, and I've never taken that opportunity to actually put together something like a vlog, and so I'm taking this journey to go. So I did hike when I was younger, and often hiked. My dad was a hiker. He did backpacking quite a bit too, and still does it actually to this day. And he's section hiking the AT, which is amazing. And so hopefully I'll get to see him on trail, you know, who knows. So not a lot of people just get the chance to do the AT, and my life just kind of lined up that way. So I knew I couldn't wait any longer. Like, I knew that this, like, yeah, I really heavily believe in science. I really do. And timing is everything. And time also doesn't exist. Anyways, okay. Not a lot of people get the opportunity to hike the AT. And my situation just so happened to line up, and it's something that I've always wanted to do. So I'm excited to hike it, go through this mental and physical challenge. I'm always up for a challenge, and you know, hike all the way to Maine. So yeah, my intentions are to be mindful of my soul, my body, and my mind, and put my best step forward, literally. No, committing to it is scary, but it's real. I mean, at this point, I'd be so sad if I didn't at least try. When I was really little, I backpacked in the Adirondacks with my father. I brought way too much gear. Then I got that opportunity to move to Georgia, and I'm close enough to the AT that it makes it kind of easy for me to get there. It's not too far from Atlanta. So since I've been like obsessed with hiking and backpacking for so long, I have a lot of my gear already, but also I am very peculiar. I like what I like, okay? And so a lot of things I've replaced because I'm like, okay, this is something that I'm going to be traveling with for about 6 to 7 months. I'm gonna wanna like it. And if I don't like it, I know that's not gonna leave my mind. That also means, though, I'm not an ultralight backpacker. And I will be carrying a few luxury items. But the things that I do have in ultralight, I think make it, they kind of balance off, go math, right? I don't know. I think I'll learn some lessons. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. Mind, body, soul, you know? Mind, body, soul. And I think that's really what's going to carry me through the trail, is some things that I love, some things that I need, and the things that I need being things that I love. Yeah, that's it. But I have a feeling I'm gonna learn a few things, and fine, I'm own up to when I'm wrong, and I'm willing to take responsibilities, but we'll get there when we get there. We're not there yet. Don't have all of my gear yet, but I have a lot of it, and I'm kind of going crazy with the shopping, to be honest. I need to slow it down. I kind of got stuck into that video watching where you have to buy everything. My pockets just don't like that, and my stomach won't like it while I'm on the trail. I also need to find a job, like a temporary job that's okay with me just kind of like quitting beforehand, and just kind of save up any money I can to, you know, survive on the trail. But I think everything always works out, right? Everything works out. You put your mind to something, you're gonna figure it out. And that's what I plan to do. I'm working out, like I'm planning, I went to the gym today and I'm gonna keep it up. I also quit nicotine. yeah, bye-bye to that vape, which I needed to do and I've done before, but like all of these things are pushing towards a better me, you know? And so going to the gym, quitting nicotine are necessities before getting on the trail. And I'm not out of shape, it's just I could be in better shape, you know, and be more attentive to my body and needs and get prepared for it's going to be the hardest thing I've ever done, and I'm not trying to fool myself by being like, oh, it's gonna be so easy. No, like, you're crazy if you think this is easy, and you're crazy for even trying it, because you gotta be like crazy, you know? And I'm definitely crazy. Okay, I take that back. You don't have to be crazy, but there's gonna be something a little like interesting with you if you just choose to like go hike. Like, you gotta kind of like pain, you know? I really honestly can't wait to live in the woods. Like, I've just always loved it. You know, like, I always prefer the outdoors. Even when I'm eating at restaurants, I'm like, oh, we can sit outside, even if it's like freezing outside. Now, I do get cold so easily, so there's that. But, you know, it's fine. I think I'm gonna love it. And hopefully I'll be like, you know, March isn't so bad, right? You get through March. I'm going to be prepared for everything. Who knows? I might be overreacting. You pack your fears, right? My fear is my hair. I'm absolutely terrified of my hair getting too knotted. I have some pretty long hair, and I'm not cutting it. And when I shower, I'm gonna need to detangle it, and that takes conditioner. So I'm packing conditioner. Stupid? Maybe. Maybe it'll be worth it. No rain, no flowers. Also, shout out to my mother for putting up with me and my father wanting to do this and still loving us. Stay tuned for updates, pieces of information, findings, all of those things up until trail start date, and then I'm off. That's all for now. Catch you on the flip side. Should that be my catchphrase? I don't know. Do I just pick a catchphrase, or does that just kind of come to you? I mean, oh my god. Okay, I swallowed my first bug. Okay. Oh, this is so great. I didn't bring water with me. I'm fine. No, it's fine, but like, good, bad, and ugly. Sounds about right. Yay. You want to know what's extra crazy about that is my phone died right after. So if that wasn't a sign to wrap this up, I don't know what was. And so hopefully I got a lot of questions, like initial questions, answered. And if you guys have other questions or want to hear anything in particular about either my journey or what it looks like, what I am doing to get ready to go on the trail, then just like, you know, let me know. I will tell you guys everything you want to know, and probably more. Yeah. But you know, it happens. Like and subscribe, please. I guess that's something that's really important when it goes into this. I know that it sounds like, you know, everyone says that, but I'd really appreciate it. I am so grateful that I get to share my journey with others that actually are choosing to listen to it, and hopefully I learn some things from you guys, and some of you can learn some things from me, whether it's knowledge I've already picked up along the way or knowledge that's yet to come. I'm an open book, y'all. We all start somewhere, and you guys are starting with me at the beginning of the trail and the beginning of my vlogging experience. Yay. Talk to you soon. It's gonna be fun, I promise. When you inhale a bug and then immediately after your phone dies, it's a sign to shut up.